Friends, kindly subscribe our channel and also press this bell icon so you never miss new upcoming videos.
Hello friends, welcome to CAD Master AutoCAD tutorial series. In this video, I'll explain you how to create our own shortcut key in AutoCAD. All of you know the shortcut key is the best way to work with the AutoCAD. You can save your time by using the short key. So it will definitely improve your drawing productivity. So there are a lot of shortcut key we generally use in AutoCAD. Let us consider for line we use the shortcut key L, for polyline PL, for circle it's C, for arc it's A, for rectangle it's RAC. Similarly for modify you can use shortcut for move M, copy CO, stretch S, for rotate you can use RO. For trim you can use TR, for mirror it's an MI, for scale we used mostly SC. So this is the predefined from the Autodesk. But now you can change this short key as your own way. To do this we have to go to Express tool. Under Express tool you will find the command aliases. So just click on it. In command aliases, you will find the acad.pgp. So this is for editor. This is mostly used for AutoCAD alias editor. So here you will find the short key that is called the alias and the command name. If you type, let us consider L, you will see alias is L and the AutoCAD command name is line. For layer it's showing LA. So it is the predefined thing. Now you have both the options. You can either change this alias or you can create your own alias by adding the short key. Let us consider one example. If we want to create a polygon, so mostly we use the short key for polygon is POL. So you will find if you type POL, it will be highlighted here. So if I click on it, your polygon will be start. Let us consider the sides will enter and then inscribe. So now my polygon has been generated. Now I don't want to use the polygon shortcut key as POL. I want to start with, let us consider PG. So first of all we check whether PG will work or not. So if you type in command prompt PG, so see you will find it will be the unknown command, right? But now if suppose I want to open the polygon by referring this short key, so what I'll do, I'll go to command alias, I'll use add tab. Here my alias name will be PG and here you have to type the command name, that is polygon, and say OK. So if you want both the words like POL, it is showing here. If you want to active this command by referring both the short key, then you can use both the things. Or else if you don't require Pol as alias in this window, then you can select this and say remove. So I'll keep both the things and say apply. So it will ask this configuration file already exists. Do you want to overwrite? Say yes. Again it will ask alias, your AutoCAD alias have been saved and the current AutoCAD session has been updated. Say OK. And say OK again. Say OK. Now if you type PG, so see it will be highlighted here, PG as polygon. If you type it, it will be activated. Same, suppose in this case I required the 6-side polygon and then inscribe. So see, in this way we can work with the alias command. So hope you understand this concept of creating the shortcut key. Thanks for watching this video.